Even though we're still on the red today, and you might think it's a big red day, but I guarantee you that most of the people get totally numb to the price movement we saw today. Those who kind of flinch a little bit might be those who came in pretty recently. But I mean, guys, when you have news like what I'm going to drop on you, like Robinhood just shifted totally the ratings they provided on AMC. As you can see right now, 62% of analysts on Robinhood thinks or recommend AMC should be a buy. 30% hold, 0% sell. Now, what is even more interesting about this is that for an entire year, pretty much since the beginning of this year, all right, there has been almost 0% buy recommendations coming from these same analysts on Robinhood. So what changed? What changed? Yes, what changed? Either they know what we already know for the last 6 to 8 months, or they know something we don't. But it doesn't matter because the ultimate goal and end result is the same. We won. We are winning. All right. That's why on my latest video, I really didn't. I mean, I don't understand why someone will write an article saying that AMC stock deserves to crash 87%. I mean, seriously, has these guys been paid by hedges to write this down on downgrade? Because when they do, it attracts some more short sellers. But in reality, things are going the exact opposite of this direction. So I don't know, especially when you look at the fails to deliver. They jumped more than 1,000% in the latest data we get from the SEC itself. This is the website. So fails to deliver data, February to August 2021. So the first half of August, you know, by clicking here, no, not this one. By clicking here, you will actually see that the numbers are pretty interesting. We're talking about a million failed to delivers, around a million failed to delivers on AMC. I mean, this is just a setup, a perfect setup for a gamma squeeze to happen. Because as I mentioned multiple times, guys, fail to delivers or failures to deliver, it's really when you have a contract, a call, and then your contract closes in the money. Okay, the prediction or the bet you made on the share price to reach a certain level actually hits, and then by the time you have to close your contract, you have to get the actual shares if you want to get those shares. But the market maker will need to deliver those shares to you. But in reality, it's been almost 3 to 4 months, if I recall correctly, that those shares that was supposed to get delivered to the people who had the contracts on the options have not been delivered. So when they do, because whenever I buy something online, whenever you buy something to someone, you have to get delivery of the service or the product. Otherwise, that is called theft. That is called theft. All right. So it doesn't matter how much time you want to delay it. We know that the law requires you to deliver the actual product. This is a contract. All right. So again, I don't really know why these guys will write something like this today. I mean, of course, yeah, it may have played a role. I mean, the major role or the only role on why short sellers jump on this, and we've seen a 7.3% pullback. But when you really look at the share price on the chart, guys, I guarantee you things are still looking pretty damn good. So on the 1 month, you will see that we are making lower highs and higher highs. So look, at the beginning of the month, okay, we were still here, below 30, boom, came back down, boom, came back down, boom, came back down, boom, and now it's coming back down. So I'm expecting this to continue, but you know, with AMC, you have to be hoping for the best, but also be prepared for the worst. The worst can happen that we go back down before going back up. It may take a couple of days, but as we've seen here, it's been boom, 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 especially if we have a Green Friday followed by another Green Monday. But I would just chill. At this point, I would just chill, okay? Like, this is not even the real price, so why do we even care? So just to say, guys, things that are supposed to be happening are gonna happen.